The SIPex ensures that valuable and relevant information on innovative silviculture is available to all users. If you'd like to contribute research or knowledge to the SIPex platform, you can do so easily through the Suggest a Resource form. To get started, click on the Learn More button located at the bottom of the Resources page. On this page, the form will guide you through the details we need. You'll be asked to provide a resource title and information, such as why the resource is relevant and how it connects to innovative practices, approaches, or values being managed. After entering your contact information, you can choose to upload a file directly or simply submit a link to the resource. If your resource is not digital, such as printed documents or decision aids, then select No when asked, "Is this a digital resource?" This will trigger follow-up from the SIPex team. In that case, our team may be able to support you by connecting with you directly to help digitize the material, including curating, scanning, and storing the information so it can be shared more broadly. By submitting a resource, you help grow the collective knowledge base and make valuable information accessible to the entire community. Welcome to SIPex, your knowledge hub for silviculture innovation in BC.